Hello and welcome to our compliance management system for SIL providers. So this is a spin on our compliance management system, which is an Excel-based system which captured all of the governance related requirements for a business, and also our end-of-month SIL checklists, which could be used to just sign off that at the end of each month in each SIL home, certain registers and certain things had been checked off. So the compliance management system was designed to be used as a one central location for everything, so all clients, all staff in the organisation. That doesn't work for some larger providers. They need to separate out the information based on the program. So we've created a sort of system which is for either SIL houses, it can be an SDA house, and it can also be a community access program. So you can just put all of those clients in the one spot, and it will capture off the governance for that specific area. The intention is that you will be able to then have the management of that particular house or that particular program monitoring the compliance and the governance for that. And then at a high level, someone can oversee it as well, but it will just ensure that all of those compliance obligations are met. So this system, because it is designed to be, you're meant to copy and paste and have a different register, a different Excel sheet for each home, we also created the only governance registers as well. So these aren't for a particular home. This is the high level corporate risk register, a policy and review schedule, asset list for the whole business. So our higher level governance related registers, our internal audit schedule and tool, because you're not going to have a separate one per house, and also these might be things that you have more sensitive information and you just want the top level to be seen. So this governance only compliance management system should be used in conjunction with the SIL compliance management system. So going over this SIL, you can see our first sheet is called house details. So we've created this here, which you'll use, you'll fill it in here, and it will auto-generate the drop-down lists throughout the compliance management system. So wherever it says participant name, it'll generate a drop-down list based on the names in this table. So it's important to put all of the names in here first, otherwise you won't be able to select them. You can also put the vehicles, so we've got vehicle rego and then the owner as well, so you can put the staff cars in here as well, because you're going to be needing to monitor, if they've been cleaned, if they've been checked as well. And then we've got our house room list for when we're monitoring the cleaning, so you can separate the cleaning out into each room specifically. So go back to our directory registers. We've got our sort of governance here. We've got our site risk register, a key document review schedule, so these are key documents for that particular house. So you can see in here we've listed emergency business plan and emergency waste plan, so they're for the specific location. We've got work health and safety register, incident and complaints and feedback. Now you can put them in here, you can also keep them in that high level governance system to have them all together, but we'd also recommend having an incident system for that particular house so you can see what incidents are occurring in that one location. Then we've got our house specific governance, so an asset list for the house, our compliance for the vehicles, so checking all the registration for those, emergency drills, our disaster response process team, so who is the fire warden, first aid warden and emergency coordinator in the house, our sanitation reports for home and vehicles, meeting minutes for the house, maintenance and audit and participant asset list for that house. Then we've got all of our client registers, so these can all just be for the clients in that home, so you can monitor them instead. And then same for the staff, we've got all of our same registers from our compliance management system, the classic one. Then we've got our end-of-month checklist. So these are on the SIL End-of-Month Checklist register. So this will be used to identify, we'll go to the schedule first, so you can put in here the dates that all of these were checked off, so you can have sort of a one big glance at when everything has been checked, and then all of these are hyperlinks to go to our client's financial ledger, so you can put the date in that you're due to do this check, so end of month usually, the date that the checklist was completed, who completed that checklist, what participant it's relating to, and then total outgoing, incoming, the balance, is there a discrepancy. So this is to check their financials. Then you've got bowel charts, medication signing sheets, work health and safety register, a vehicle inspection register, water temperature check, our medication charts, medical file and action plan, a file audit for the participant, first aid contents, goals checklist, collaboration with other providers, progress notes, and then we've got some blank ones. So these are designed to be used by you to create registers for checklists that you may be doing. So you can just copy, if you need more, we've given you 4, but you can always just copy a sheet and make a new one. So these will be for whatever you decide you need. So for example, if you're also checking a different sort of log every month, then you can pop those in here. So that is our SIL compliance management system, and that is to be used in conjunction with the governance only one.